everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your travel agency. So if you're also running a travel agency and want to keep your customers updated regarding upcoming holiday packages and exclusive offers in just few clicks, you are in the right place. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a powerful broadcasting system for your travel agency by using Pabbly Chatflow. And you can send messages to a number of customers on a preferred date or time by using this. So firstly in this video we are going to create a message template. Now in the next step we are going to create a broadcast, and at last we are going to send scheduled message on that preferred date or time. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own broadcast WhatsApp message. Welcome to my screen. So in today's video we are going to explore how travel agency can effectively use WhatsApp broadcast to connect with customers, send time sensitive offers, exclusive travel deals and personalized trip packages directly to their WhatsApp. So this chatbot is going to help you to promote seasonal discounts, new tour packages or limited time offers, and driving quick bookings for upcoming long weekends, festivals or peak seasons. So let's start broadcasting our WhatsApp message by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And here you can see this is the WhatsApp broadcast I have created, and now I am going to show you how exactly this WhatsApp broadcast works. For that, firstly we are going to enter the username, mobile number, and we will just click on send test message, and our test message will be sent to the WhatsApp number which I will enter over here. So now let's see how this broadcast exactly works. Here, as I have clicked on send test message, I am receiving this pop-up that is test broadcast sent. So now let's move on to our WhatsApp and check whether we have received this response or not. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and here you can see I am receiving the message from the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here you can see I am receiving this message regarding this week's special travel offer just for you. And this is provided by this XYZ travel agency. So you can also send broadcast messages to your customers regarding upcoming packages and trip offers by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And you can send this broadcast message to a number of customers on a preferred date or time. Let's say you want to send a festive offer to your customer on the festival day. So you can simply broadcast your message on that preferred date or the time, and that message will be sent on that specific date or time to your customers. So let's start using Pabbly Chatflow and broadcast your message for enhancing your business. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow through which you can create your broadcast message, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in over here, and as you will finish the sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page. And here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to broadcast the message, we just have to access Pabbly Chatflow app. Now in this Pabbly Chatflow app, you can see we are getting the option for access now. So just click on access now and you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see I have added two WhatsApp number to my account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number over here, and on this add WhatsApp number you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these features based on your need, and these features are inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. And as we are going to broadcast our WhatsApp message for travel agency, we will just click on broadcast over here, and as you will click on broadcast, you will get this broadcast page, and here you can see these are the broadcasts I have created, and here you can see the total number of broadcasts, the live broadcast, sent broadcast and scheduled broadcast. Now here I am going to tell you how you can create your own broadcast from scratch. For that, firstly you just have to click on add broadcast button. Now as you will click on add broadcast button, you will get this WhatsApp broadcast page, and here you can create your own broadcast. Now here it is asking me to select the broadcast type. So here you can see we are getting two options, that is broadcast campaign and API campaign. But as I am going to create a broadcast campaign, I will just select the broadcast campaign over here. But if you are using the API, you can also select the API campaign over here. Now further, it is asking me to enter the broadcast name. So now let's provide a name to our broadcast over here. Here you can see I am providing it the name travel agency. So you can provide name according to you. Now further, it is asking me to select the contact list. So here you can see these are the contact list I have created. You can also create your own contact list. For that, you just have to go to contacts on the sidebar, and once you will click on contacts, you will get the numbers I have connected to my account, and these are the contact list I have created. So you can also create your own contact list. For that, you just have to click on add new contact list button, and as you will click on add new contact list button, you will get this add contact list page, and here it is asking you to enter the descriptive name for this contact list. So here you can provide the name to your contact list, and here you can add the tag if you want to select the specific contact from your contact list. Now further, we are getting the opted status, that is opt-in. Incoming status is allowed, and here you can also select the contact custom fields. Now you just have to click on add button and your contact list will be created, and here you can see I have already created my contact list, that is my customer. Now let's move on to add broadcast and select this contact list over here, and here I am going to select this contact list, that is my customers. Now further, here we are getting the option for the select message type. So if you want to broadcast a regular message, you can select the regular message over here, and here after selecting the regular message, here it is asking you to select the regular message type. So you can select the regular message type over here based on your needs, and here you have to enter the regular message you want to send to your customer. But I am going to send a pre-approved template message providing offers to my customer. So for that, I will select the pre-approved template message over here, and here it's asking you to select the WhatsApp templates. So here you can see these are the WhatsApp template I have created. You can also create your own template. For that, you just have to go to templates on the sidebar, and here you can see we are getting the option for templates list. So just select it and you can create your own templates. After selecting the templates list, you can see I have got this templates page, and here you can see these are the templates I have created. And now I am going to tell you how you can create your own templates. For that, you just have to click on add template button over here, and as you will click on add new template, you will get this new template page, and here you can create your own templates. Now in this add new template page, here it is asking me to select the template category, and here we are getting three categories, that is marketing, utility and authentication. But as I am using this template for the marketing purpose of my travel agency, I will just select the marketing over here. And now further, it is asking me to enter the template name, but you have to remember one point, that name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special character and white spaces are not allowed. So here we have to enter the name with the lowercase without any white spaces. Here I am providing it the name, that is travel. Now here it is asking me to select the language, so I am going to select the language as English over here. I have selected the language also, and now here it is asking me to select the template type. Here I am going to enter a message regarding the offers, so I will select the template type as text, but you can also select another template type such as image, video, document, location and carousel, but I have selected the text over here. Now further, if you want to provide template header, you can provide it over here. Now here we are getting the option for template format. So here we have to enter the message or the template we want to send to our customer. So now let's create a template here by providing the template format. So here you can see I have provided the template format, and you can also see the preview of this template over here on your right side. Now further, here we are getting the option for template footer. So if you want to provide a template footer, you can provide it over here. Now here it is asking me to enter the interactive action. So I am going to enter the interactive action as call to actions, so that my customers can avail the offer by just clicking on the button, that is avail offer, which will redirect my customer to my website. Here I have provided the button title as avail offer, and now I am going to enter the URL for my website so that customers can be redirected to my website if they click on avail offer button. Here I have entered a dummy URL for my customer, and here you can see in this preview section we are getting a call to action button. Now we just have to click on this submit button and our template will be created. So just click here and create your own templates. Now here you can see we are getting this template, that is travel. So now let's move on to our add broadcast and select this template over there. So I am going to select the WhatsApp template as travel over here. Now let's click on done, and here we are getting this WhatsApp template over here. Now here it is asking to enter the username and the phone number, and after that we are getting the button, that is send test message. So if you want to check whether we are receiving the correct broadcast message, so you can send the test message by providing the username and the mobile number. Now further, we are getting the option for schedule broadcast. So if you want to send your broadcast instantly, you can just click on no, send instantly. But if you want to schedule your broadcast for later, you can select the yes, schedule for later, and here I am going to select yes, schedule for later. And here we are getting the option for select date and time. So here you can enter the date or the time on which you want to send to your customer this broadcast message. After selecting date and time, we just have to click on this add broadcast button and our broadcast will be added. But here I am going to provide the username and mobile number. After that, I will just click on send test message and show you how we are receiving the message in my WhatsApp. So now let's enter these details, and after that you just have to click on add broadcast and your broadcast will be created. And here I have sent a test message to my number, and on my WhatsApp you can see we have received the template message which we have recently created and broadcasted by using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also broadcast your WhatsApp messages to a number of customers on a specific date or time to provide upcoming packages, offers, etc. to your customer. And you can do this by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more broadcast WhatsApp messages like this. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.